Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and today I'm going back with a very quick technical video for you guys about printer. So whenever you connect your printer to your computer and you see that you set up the driver, the other manual setup was successful but you cannot print. So for example, I've in this page and I connected my printer, the Canon LBP 2900. So if you look down here, there will be like four main lines. And look at me at the status. Right now it says 0 documents in queue, right? But the problem is that when you connect, it's gonna stay error. So whenever you are encounter the status error of printer, this is a solution. So I've also discovered a very useful way. So this is from the Microsoft community, for the user on the platform that on the forum that they was discussing. So there's a guy named Zane. He's figured out a way. So to do this, first of all, you gotta go to the printers, just remove the device, and then download the register editory file of that printer's model. So like if your printer is like somewhat model, you just type on the internet as your models and the registry editor file, and then just download it to your computer. So this is, for example, this is my my printer version, the 2900 I mean. So this is the file I need to download. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna have the .reg at the end. That's the registry editor file, and then you just download it. So I have downloaded it. Let's see. So here I got it. So if you want to run it, you just double click and run it, and it's gonna fix you. So after you run successfully, you just unplug your printer and reset up everything. It's gonna be function, normally, and that's how you can solve this problem. So this problem is pretty easy. So I just want to keep it pretty simple in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And by the way, thank you for watching.